Hi guys, welcome back. Hope you've all been keeping well. I want to share with you the 4 exercises that have helped me rebuild core strength and stability after 5 C-sections. If you're watching this while laying in bed or on the sofa, let's start by warming your fingers by hitting the like button so I know you're awake, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. So I'm almost 2 years postpartum and only just at the point where I would feel comfortable lifting very heavy weight at the gym. So I'm talking your barbell lifts, front squats, back squats, deadlifts, that kind of thing. This is a huge win for me. I've been putting in the work. Building core strength isn't just an aesthetic goal for me. My abs are stronger now than when I was at my slimmest. I can keep up the kids, lift up heavier objects and move with ease and maintain balance. Being that my body underwent such a huge surgery for the 5th time, for me it was a sensible thing to really take the time to rebuild my core strength and my overall body strength gradually from the inside out. So after my 4th pregnancy, with research, I discovered Pilates core exercises work best for strengthening the entire core. So armed with that knowledge, I started performing these exercises from around 8 weeks postpartum. I'll do them while laying on my bed or when lounging on the rug in the living room. I didn't have a set routine, I simply aimed to do at least one or more of the exercises daily. So this is a no equipment core workout, and this is the way I typically train my core. But if you want to take your workout up a notch, you are more than welcome to do so. Add some resistant bands or weights, otherwise your body weight will do just fine. A C-section is a major surgery where 6 layers are cut starting from the skin down to the uterus. Besides the pain you endured days and weeks after your C-section, you gain a great awareness of your core use. We all usually kind of go about our day and never really pause to appreciate the working of our body until we're injured or unwell. Days that followed after my C-section, I struggled with big movements like walking, bending, climbing, lifting, sitting, and standing. Even standing for longer than 10 minutes was tiring and made my back ache. Smaller movements like coughing, laughing, and sneezing would also really hurt. Can you imagine trying to contain a laugh? It's like knowingly doing yourself in and trying to stop it at the same time. It used to be so frustrating. These exercises have worked tremendously for me in regaining my core strength. Like I said, I can lift heavier and maintain balance, move faster, and with less effort. It's a huge win for me. As you can probably tell, I don't have visible washboard abs, but I'm okay with that. Last time I checked, my 8-pack is hidden under some layers of fat and just waiting to make its magical appearance. With consistency, I know they'll eventually come out to say hi. So back to Pilates. What I love about Pilates is that it forces you to be mindful and present with each movement. You really become aware of how your body parts come together, your muscle chains, and how breath drives movement. As you can see, I take my time with each move, and that's because it's more about quality over vanity metrics for me. When I lie down for core work, I think of it as meeting with self. I really tune into tension in my body, tightness in my pelvic region, and my breathing depth. There's a time for high power volume reps and a time to slow down and stimulate. For me, when it comes to core training, I like to slow down and feel, allowing my body to carry the movement as opposed to momentum. A question that usually comes up on Afrogirl Fitness Instagram, especially when we share mum bod transformations, usually goes along the lines of, I had a baby 10, 5, 3 years ago, how can I lose the weight? Really, what I hear is it possible for me? What I would say is it's absolutely possible for you to lose weight at any age and claim the body of your dreams. Any goal worth having will require effort and consistency. Weight loss is no different. You can absolutely do it. It may take a little while, but as long as you make up your mind not to quit, it will happen for you. So more than anything, when it comes to claiming back your core strength, you owe it to your future health. I'll repeat that. You owe it to your future health to strengthen your core. So let me explain. When I set out to lose weight the first time, my plan was to lose the weight before doing any focused core training. I can tell you now that that was a bad idea. In my mind, once I lost the weight, The core exercises would make my abs pop and boom, I'd be that girl that's fit for a night campaign, right? The reality, however, is a stronger core for health reasons is way more important than vanity. Strong core muscles help to prevent unwanted strains or sprains, especially to your back. Weak core muscles can lead to you tiring out quickly during workouts, less endurance, and injuries. When it comes to losing weight, exercise is important, and to ensure that you're actually bringing your best energy to the workouts, it's important that you have a strong core. So a strong core will improve your athletic performance, your speed, your strength, your mobility, which altogether help you drop the unwanted weight. So yes, moral of the story is don't be like me. Ensure that your workout plan, targets your entire body and make the effort to train your core. If you've followed along to this point or watched from the comfort of your sofa or bed, I would love for you to join the family. So hit the subscribe button so that you're notified when new videos are released and that I'll know that you like this kind of content. Also, let me know in the comments the type of exercises you prefer to do and that you find effective for training your core. Let's share in the comments and bounce off each other. So you might be wondering why I've included squats in an ab workout. Squatting, first and foremost, is a fundamental move of the human body that requires core strength. And it's why sitting and standing or bending over to pick something off the floor after a C-section is so painful. Squats engage your core muscles so deeply that they work the top and bottom half of your abs. If I were to pick one exercise to do forever, I'd pick squats. Squats were the first core-focused exercise I began doing in the weeks following my C-section. Trust me, if you want incredible lower body and core strength, you want to make sure you include squats in your workouts. I'm excited for the future of this platform, and I would love to know which kind of videos or content you would like to see shared over here. Until next time, stay healthy.